Ever since Microsoft took over OpenAI, they've been integrating the power of AI into all of the applications and programs. It started off with adding it to the Bing search, which took so much over the world and changed how we go about our daily searches. And then they started integrating it into the Office 365 suite. And this made productivity so much more powerful, which is only accessible to certain people who had early beta access. However, later in the future, this will be rolling out for everyone. What's next with Microsoft and this AI power tool? They are bringing it into Windows. Now, imagine running Windows with the power of AI. Yes, this does sound like Cortana, but this isn't. But it's replacing the place of Cortana to be an overlay running on top of your Windows while you're having other programs and applications, and can summarize data and read whatever is on your screen and make it simple for you. Imagine this powerful AI running on your Windows. How is this going to benefit you and I as average consumers? We may be able to become power users with the help of AI integrated into Windows, especially when turning productive work so much more efficient with AI doing half the work for you. Anyways, the future seems very promising with AI and whatever step that Microsoft has been making. If you want to follow such AI related content, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me. See you in the next one.